Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your iPhone. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first to just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then you come to your settings, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on here, get it accesses, you just click on it. You come to next step here, then you come here to get it accesses. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone, that's mean get it accesses disable with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.